want doggy ice cream. Oh wow, it's doggy ice cream. Put a state of my bloody cookies. Kev, look at it.
Something. This is Augie's first puppuccino. Oh yeah.
Yum. Dairy Queen, y'all. Go get yourself a popcorn. It's somebody's birthday on Friday, so we're celebrating early. Alright? Very first puppuccino for his third birthday.
Chubbies, I need more food.
Ice cream makes anyone feel better after a tough day.
He likes it! Yummy! What is that?
Yeah. Not like a flower shape.
Do you love that? Yes! Do you love that?
Who's fully vaccinated? Yay!
Yum 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 yum.
Oh, someone's excited! Oh, good boy!
Oh, he breathes.
What do you mean, do something cute? When am I not cute? Look at me. Are you for real right now?
Do you like it?